Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or photo on CUBOT X19, at first you have to go for the settings, then go for the system, select languages and input, click on the virtual keyboard, select Gboard, and then move for the theme. Right now click right here and we are moved to the gallery and we are able to pick up the picture that we want to set. So I'll go for this Elon Musk picture. We can scale the picture as you can see. If you do, click next. And we can also set the transparency of the picture. Click done if you finish, and we can turn off and turn on key borders. So we have to decide what you want to get. Click apply, and right now as you can see our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!